Hello everyone. In this episode of Smart Life, we'll cover the top 5 models available in the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, popularity, price, and more. I've included options for every type of buyer. So, if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. Please check the link in the description below for more details. Let's dive into the video.
If you are looking for the best sofa bed, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. DHP Ivana Tufted Futon. The DHP Ivana Tufted Futon is stylish, comfortable, and versatile, and your guests will probably mistake it for a regular sofa, thanks to its high-end design. It features soft velvet upholstery, tapered wooden legs, and tufted cushions that will lend a touch of elegance to any space. This futon is 81.5 inches long, and it has a split back that allows you to both sides independently. The padded armrests add extra comfort when used as a couch, and there are pads under all 4 feet to prevent it from scratching your floors. Number 2. Novogratz Brittany Sofa Bed. If you're looking for a futon that will be the focal point of your living area, the Novogratz Brittany Sofa Futon has a truly beautiful design. This 70.5-inch sofa is available in 9 eye-catching colors, and its ribbed back cushions, curved armrests, and slanted legs give it an elegant appearance, all for a wallet-friendly price. This futon has a split-back design, and its cushions can be arranged in multiple positions for lounging and sleeping. It even has extra legs that fold down for added support when the unit is used for sleeping. Number 3. Best Choice Products Sofa Couch Set. If you're looking for an inexpensive piece of furniture to fill up an empty corner of your home or a sofa that you can quickly convert into a sleeping surface for guests, Best Choice Products Tufted Faux Leather 3-Seat L-Shaped Sectional Sofa Couch Set Futon is definitely the way to go. Stylish L-shaped sectional sofa is made with a modern contemporary, faux leather design that will complement any living space. People love this item for its soft foam cushioning, and supple faux leather makes this set a viable lounging option for hours of comfortable sleep. Number 4. DHP Paxson Convertible Futon Couch Bed. Products like the DHP Paxson Futon offer a split-back design, which means you can lower each side independently, making for more comfortable lounging. This stylish model comes in 5 colors, and its diagonal stitching on the cushions creates an eye-catching mid-century aesthetic. This futon is 78.5 inches long with solid wooden legs, and reviewers rave about the beautiful design and modern appeal of this product. Plus, many note that it's surprisingly comfortable, especially for its reasonable price point. The Paxson is ideal for small spaces while always making a big, bold statement. Number 5. Best Choice Products Convertible Futon. Bring the perfect touch of style and convenience to your living space with this Best Choice Products Convertible Lounge Futon. Detailed stitching in the tufted, faux leather upholstery provides the perfect combination of casual and class to create a stylish essential for any home. Lounge around with family while watching a movie, or create a bed for overnight guests using the reclining function. With a space-saving and versatile design, it's ideal for small spaces in apartments and studios. In this futon, you can use 3 adjustable positions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.